Last time we talked about how AI sounds smart without actually thinking, but now I'm wondering, if AI doesn't think like humans, how does it learn anything at all?
That's a great question, and the answer is simpler than most people expect. AI learns from data. A lot of data.
When you say learns, do you mean like humans learn? Studying, understanding, making mistakes?
Not really. For AI, learning means finding patterns. Imagine you show an AI thousands of pictures of cats and dogs. Each image is labeled cat or dog. The AI doesn't understand animals. It just notices patterns. Shapes, colors, edges, textures. Over time, it learns which patterns usually match which label.
So it's kind of like guessing, but getting better at guessing.
Exactly. Think of it like this. If every time you see dark clouds, it rains, eventually you'll predict rain when you see dark clouds. AI does the same thing, but with millions of examples. It doesn't know why, it just knows what usually comes next.
I hear the phrase training data a lot. What does that actually mean?
Training data is simply examples. For example, text, books, articles, conversations, images, photos with labels, audio, speech with transcripts. The AI looks at these examples again and again, adjusting itself to make fewer mistakes. The better and more diverse the data, the better the AI performs.
So if the data is bad, the AI becomes bad too?
Exactly. If the data is biased, incomplete, or incorrect, then the AI will reflect those same problems. That's why AI isn't neutral. It reflects the data humans give it.
Once AI is trained, does it keep learning forever?
Usually no. Most AI models are trained, then frozen. They don't automatically learn from new conversations unless they are retrained. So when people say, AI is learning from me right now, that's usually not true.
So AI isn't thinking, it's not understanding, it's just predicting?
That's right. AI predicts the most likely next output based on patterns it learned from data. That's powerful, but it's not intelligence in the human sense.
That actually makes AI feel less mysterious and more understandable.
And that's the goal. In the next video, we'll answer a big question. Why does AI sometimes get things completely wrong, even when it sounds confident?